Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST Pilot Air Textile Jacket. Okay, are you ready for this? The Pilot Air Textile Jacket from RST retails for $119 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for price changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This is a whole hell of a lot of motorcycle jacket for $119, let me tell you that. Let's talk about sizing first. 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds, right on the money, about a 33-inch waist. I'm wearing a size 54 Euro, 44 US in this jacket. This gets me the fit that I would prefer. This jacket includes a removable, windproof, waterproof inner liner. It zips in the cuff and it zips in the sides of the jacket, right? It has a level of breathability, okay? It's not like Gore-Tex level of breathability, but when it comes to these really affordable jackets, I gotta tell you, it feels a lot better than many of those that I've worn in this very studio in the past. Who is this jacket right for? This jacket is right for any rider that's looking for a great hot weather jacket that offers tons of airflow with reasonable levels of protection. From the factory, it includes soft shell CE level 1 certified armor in the elbow form as well as the shoulder. There is a pocket in the back of the jacket to accept one of their CE certified back protectors. We offer those in the RST category on our website. They're really affordable. I'm talking like in the $20 to $25 range, right? Super affordable. You can add those to this jacket if you want to increase the level of protection that it comes with. Tons of airflow, massive mesh panels up front in the inner arms as well as the back of the jacket. Volume adjustment here at the waist with Velcro and a D-ring. Here in the upper arm with spring-loaded metal snap. Here in the cuff with Velcro and textile. Storage. We have 2 hand warmer style storage pockets with zips on either side of the coat externally. Internally, there is a zip storage pocket on the left side of the coat and a slip style storage pocket over here on the right side of the coat. It is important to note those pockets are not accessible when you have the windproof, waterproof liner in the coat, okay? Only when you have that liner pulled out. Realistically, most riders who buy this coat, they're going to buy and ride it without that windproof, waterproof liner in it. This is a great summer jacket. If you like what you see so far and you want a little more information, stay tuned for the second part. I'm going to take this jacket off and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, the RST Pilot Air Jacket from the inside out. This jacket includes a fully removable, windproof, waterproof, pretty breathable SinAqua liner. It zips in and zips out, right? It's got a little gaiter here around the bottom. Elastic cuffs. Instead of just Velcroing in or snapping in the cuff, it actually zips all the way around, right? So held in completely with zippers. And like I said, it has a reasonable level of breathability. It's not a Gore-Tex piece, but it does have some breathability. Soft shell CE certified armor, level 1 certified in the elbow form as well as the shoulder, right? This is some new style design, right? Honeycomb shaped piece. It does not come with a back protector, right? If you want to add a CE certified back pad, we have the RST back pads on the site in the RST category. It's a very affordable and simple add. You slide it into this pocket, it hooks right here in the bottom, and then you'll have protection that's going to match what you have in the elbow form as well as the shoulder. This jacket is really affordable, okay? And don't misunderstand the price with a lack of quality or features. When you get this jacket in your hands and you look at it, it's hard to believe that we're able to sell it for the price that we are. All the materials are of excellent quality. The assembly is also fantastic. Large mesh panel here in the back of the coat. Textile here. Volume adjusters here at the waist using Velcro with a D-ring. You come to the front of the coat. Tons of mesh. Once again, high airflow is really the theme here. This is a great summer riding jacket like we talked about earlier in the video. In the high impact and abrasion areas, right, We're using a full Textile. RST logo is screen printed on right there. Volume adjustment up here in the arm with a spring-loaded snap. Mesh panel here in the inner arm. To dial in the volume of the coat at the wrist area, we're using Velcro and Textile. Hand warmer style storage pockets, both sides of the coat. If I'm going to knock anything, right, the entrance to those pockets is not huge. You're probably going to have to take your glove off to get in and out of the pockets if that's important to you. RST logo across the chest, split with a zipper. YKK zips are used throughout the jacket, high quality stuff. Comfort fabric lined collar. They use that same fabric in each of the cuffs. Inner storage pockets. Here on the left breast with a zipper. Over here on the right side, you have a slip pocket. If you want to attach this to one of the RST Textile pants, you're able to do so. To remove the elbow or the forearm armor, there is a little zip pocket here at the tail of the jacket. You zip that open, slide your arm up in there, and you're able to get the elbow and or shoulder armor out of the coat. All in all, what do I think? This is a very affordable, high quality summer riding jacket. When you look at this and you put it side by side jackets that cost 2 and maybe even 3 times what this one costs, you will be surprised at how very little difference you see. This is probably one of the best buys we have in the summer riding jacket category. I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com.